In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow on Klaviyo, a powerful tool for enhancing your e-commerce strategy. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, understanding how to design effective flows can significantly improve your customer engagement. Let's dive right in and simplify the process. To begin with, look over to the left side of your Klaviyo dashboard. You'll notice a navigation panel there. You want to click on Flows. This is essentially the hub where all your automated marketing magic begins. Think of it as a canvas, ready for your creativity and strategic touch. Once you're in the Flows section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Create Flow. Go ahead and select it. This is your starting point for building effective customer journeys that can retain and engage your audience. Now, you're faced with a choice that can define the path of your flow-building adventure. Are you feeling creative, or would you prefer to leverage some tried and tested templates? If you're ready to unleash your own ideas, choose the option labeled Build Your Own in the top right area. This choice allows you to start crafting a flow from scratch, giving you full control over each element and sequence. Alternatively, if you're looking for some guidance or inspiration, Klaviyo offers a variety of preset flows you can select from. These templates are designed with different e-commerce strategies in mind, providing a great starting point for your email or messaging journey. If you opt for a flow preset, give it a click to explore further. You'll see its structure laid out in front of you, a blueprint ready to be customized to suit your brand's voice and objectives. At this stage, it's crucial to personalize it with a name and relevant tags. This will help you easily identify and organize your flows later on. Additionally, you'll want to decide on a trigger. Triggers are the vital spark that set your flow into motion, activated by specific customer actions or behaviors, from signing up on your site to making a purchase. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you're now well on your way to creating compelling, automated marketing flows using Klaviyo. Don't forget, the art of flow creation in Klaviyo lies within your ability to think strategically about how seemingly small touch points can create a more cohesive and engaging customer experience. Start exploring these tools and features today, and watch as your business builds richer, more meaningful relationships with your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy flow building.